So, welcome to today's trade recap. Today it was again a loss for me. I don't know, but I'm trading so bad. I don't know. Officially, I was bullish, but then we hit all-time high at London session, I think, or pre-market. Yeah, it's pretty much a mix of London session and pre-market. We hit all-time highs with this candle. This is the new all-time high. Then I thought, okay, so I want to see some bearish prices. I want to see this sell-side liquidity and maybe this sell-side liquidity. Then we come into market open. We come up to this fair value gap, but we didn't hit it right correctly. I watched at pre-market at the market, and we had here a good trade because we had this fair value gap. We come into it, and then we could react from it to London lows. This would be a perfect trade, but yeah, we trade only at market open. So market opens, move up then down. Then I thought, okay, we have here this fair value gap. It wasn't the inverse fair value gap, it was a normal fair value gap till the point where I traded. And we didn't move above the midpoint of the fair value gap with the wicks, so I thought it's a strong fair value gap. We're gonna go and see lower prices here. So yeah, it then took my take profit. I entered the trade and got stopped out immediately. I don't know, it's also a little bit, I don't know, I got a pop-up message on my phone that someone some traders are bearish for today, and I directly made also, okay, I need to enter, and yeah, I get FOMO. So yeah, I don't know, it's pretty stupid, pretty bad. You need to wait, to be patient, to wait for the perfect setup, because this is not a setup. This is not a setup. Then yeah, this was my first trade and my last trade. I lost about, I don't know, $120 or something like that on one account and 130 on the other account. On my Lucid trading account, I'm only $100 away from my account breach, so I can only risk $100 till I lose my account. So yeah, it's pretty shitty, pretty bad. I don't know, I don't like this if I can only risk $100 to pass the challenge. Yeah, but we will see how it's going. Maybe I buy another one. And both accounts are in drawdown, so yeah, it's not a good trading period for me right now, but we will get it. But the price action today was pretty good. It was very good, because we had, so from the logic, we go down, we accumulate here a little bit, then we move, we present here, we inverse this here, we present here with the inverse, we present also a new fair value gap, we come into this fair value gap, react from it, and go to this high here, to this buy side liquidity, which was my target. I could have also made this trade here, but I took already one loss, so I couldn't take another trade. So I sit here and saw how the move went up. That's good, because if I would entered, I would have lost, I think. But yeah, it's good that I didn't enter, but it's also bad that I didn't enter, because I already had a trade. So yeah, this was a trade opportunity. This was the trade of the day, like, I think. And then after we hit this buy side liquidity here, this fair value gap here, we broke structure to the downside. We inverse this fair value gap with this here, we come back into this inverse fair value gap, and then we react from it again. You could have made your trade here, stop loss above this, or stop loss above the fair value gap with a little bit room, because this way would have stopped you out. So I prefer this here, and stop loss would be then the sell side liquidity, which I want. Take profit would be the sell side liquidity, which I wanted at the first trade. You can also take this one. So yeah, full take profit in seconds. So yeah, we chopped here a little bit, but then boom, boom, perfect. But no, my ass took this pretty stupid trade. We had one and 2 perfect trades today, which we could have taken, but yeah, that's the game. That is the game. If you're a bad trader, if you not control your emotions, if you are not patient, this will happen and you will lose money. So I need to learn to trade really the perfect setup. I need to learn to trade when I know I have only one snipe, I have only one trade. So I can't take this bullshit trade here, because there is, in this case, 2 other good setups. So I need to wait and yeah, leave my snipe for a better setup, or this, or maybe this. But what I've done today was not good, and I'm not happy with it, and I'm not proud of it. Yeah, I'm on a losing streak again, and I don't know, but we will get it. I will improve it, and I will note it down directly. But I'm happy that I only took one trade and don't blow my accounts. But $100 drawdown is nothing which you can trade normally. So yeah, we will see. Thank you guys for watching, and we see us hopefully tomorrow with a good trade, good setup. And yeah, this was a perfect trading setup, but I took, yeah, it's okay. Bye.